Hey Planner fam, it's Heather here from Best Laid Plans, and I am going to show you a quick DIY today. This is a really simple one. I'm sure I'm not the first person who's thought of this, so if this has been done elsewhere, please let me know in the comments. I'd like to see different versions of this, but this is a hack for the Happy Planner, or really any like a decorative enamel sticker. So an enamel sticker is like more three-dimensional. It's usually quite thick, and you typically don't use them like in your planner just because they can be really thick and they'll make the pages hard to close. So they're really decorative, and I wanted to use them on my different carts. So I have a Hudson cart from Michael's, and I also have like the Recollections Lexington cart. And they're metal, so you can put magnets on them. So I got the idea that what if I could attach some magnetic tape and cut it and adhere it to the back of the stickers, because I tried placing them just on their own, and the sticky back that they come with is not necessarily the best. So it was falling off, they were falling on the floor, and I thought, you know what? It would be a lot better if they were on a magnet so that they weren't just sliding off a metal surface. So I went and I did find this on Amazon. You could probably find it at any kind of hardware place, but it is a roll of magnetic sticky back tape. You want to make sure it's sticky back. If you get a magnetic roll that isn't sticky back, you're just going to have to make sure you have like hot glue gun or something, or super glue to adhere the magnetic strip onto the sticker. And I've gone ahead and I did this one. So I just cut it down to where it is not visible behind the sticker. And now I can very easily adhere this to anything that is metal. So I'm just gonna pull my punch over here, and you can see it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a couple just to sort of show you how I do it. And I'm gonna do this happy place one next. And when you are cutting this magnetic strip, please use cheap scissors. Like, don't use your good scissors for this. If you're a crafter, you know what I'm talking about. Don't take out the good Westcott and other scissors for this. Use your like every tool, like reaching for Dollar Tree scissors to do this, because you don't want to mess up your good scissors. And mine has the adhesive strip already there, and since it is literally just an adhesive adhering to another adhesive back, it stays on really well. I'm not worried about the stickers falling off of the magnets. I just press down to adhere it, and I'm done. I have a magnet. So with the smaller stickers, I think this is probably like the smallest one I have is this like heart, and then I have this skinny one here. I like the magnetic tape as opposed to like buying just little circle magnets, because it is a lot easier to manipulate. So I can take, for instance, like that amount there, and I know I've got these tiny surfaces to put it on, so I could do just like that. We'll cut it in half again. Just be careful when you're doing this, because it is very, very thick, or it should be if it's magnetic tape. So then I can take my little heart here, find the adhesive back, all done. And then I have this Happy Plans, which is very skinny. So I'm gonna cut this in half again. And you don't have to use a lot of the magnetic tape. Like, you don't have to have it covering the entire back of the sticker. So this roll was like $5, and I got it on Amazon. Again, you can probably find this at a craft store, at a hardware store, a Walmart, Target. It's pretty common, and it's not expensive. And then you could use it for other things. You could laminate photos and put the magnetic back on them. So you could put photos onto your cart or your refrigerator, wherever you want to use your magnets. So I'm going to put one on each side. And now I have that as a magnet. For the ones that are kind of long and skinny, I went ahead and I cut 2 strips and attached them just so they lay flat. What I'm going to do now is just kind of go through and finish applying the magnet backs to the rest of these, and then I'm going to be able, after that, to kind of showcase them and decorate my planner carts with them. And if you are interested, I am using the enamel stickers that are the Homebody and the Planner Babe collections. I was able to get them on clearance from the Happy Planner a while back, so I have those sets. So I will finish this up and then I will show you the finished product on my planner carts. And as you can see, I have a ton, I mean like almost the whole roll left of this magnetic tape, so I can use this for other projects. This is great if you would like to make, for instance, like a magnetic closure on your planner or journal, or just make magnets with your kids or something. It's a really great, fun tool just to have for things around the house, for organizing, and it's inexpensive. So I will link the one I bought in the description box. I decided to use the Homebody ones on my Hudson cart because I think it meshes well with the ones I have from Simply Gilded on there. And then I decided to use the Planner Babe with its bright colors on my Recollections cart, which already has some brighter colored stickers and other magnets on it. Thanks so much for watching this DIY. I hope to have more for you soon. Comment if you'd like to see any other type of DIYs, maybe something with paper or packaging materials. I'm all ears. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch y'all soon. Bye.